Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from MySocialU.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use the Stitch feature on TikTok. It's a brand new feature, and before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I'm going to go to my TikTok, and basically what Stitch feature allows you to do is you can take 1 to 5 seconds of any video. It could be your video or someone else's video, and you can stitch a new ending to it and then make a brand new piece of content. It's really, really cool. You may have seen those videos where one person is like, hey, what's up? And another person's like, hey, how are you? So that's kind of like stitching two different pieces or two different videos together. Let me do a quick demo for you. And for this, I'm gonna just pick my own video. Let's see. So I'm gonna pick this video right here. And then let's click on whichever video you wanna take the initial part from. You'll click on these three dots, and then you're gonna look for this icon right here, Stitch, right here. It's not Duet, it's Stitch. And then, by the way, if you don't see this, guess what? You may have to upgrade your app, right? So right now, 5 seconds are selected, so I can select any other 5 seconds too, and then I can drop it down, and you see how it says at least I have to select at least 1 second. So I believe it needs to be between 1 to 5 seconds, but you can select any portion of that video. I can select the beginning or ending or whichever an interesting part of this video. It's kind of like you take a part or a portion of an existing video and then you add to that story, with your own content. So I'll show you in a second. So for example, my friend Jim, he drops there's a point in this video where he drops right here. So he drops that thing that from his hand. So I selected 1.9 seconds. I'm gonna hit next. And now I can record my own video. So you see how I have selected the 1.9 seconds from the previous video, and now I'm gonna add or stitch my response to it. Oh my God, Jim, why did you drop that? What did you do? And now look at that. So see how the original video and then my response, and let's click on the check mark, and then it's gonna create a brand new piece of content. And obviously you can't hear it because I'm recording this video. But see how I took the first part of an existing video and then I added to that story. So this is how the Stitch feature works. You can create a lot of creative content by using this brand new feature. Let me discard this. Now let's go back to my profile. You can create a lot of creative content. So look at other people maybe in your niche, and they're creating cool content that you can take the 1 to 5 seconds from and then stitch your own content to it to create a brand new piece of content. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.